Hi children, welcome back to our computer class. How are you all? I hope all are good. Did you read the previous portion? Did you study the portion? I hope all are studying well. Today we are going to the next topic, that is some programming languages. In this session you just learned the full form of these languages and one sentence about it. Okay, let's start. First one is BASIC. It was first developed at Dartmouth University by John Kemeny and Thomas Cutts. The full form of BASIC is Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It is easy to understand programming. Today BASIC is not used to develop program. But sometimes it is used to help teach the fundamentals of programming. Okay, the full form of BASIC is Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Got it? Next is COBOL. Full form of COBOL is Common Business Oriented Language. Common Business Oriented Language. Okay, it is a high-level programming language. It is popularly used for writing business purpose programming. Okay, yes. It is a wordy language, but the programs written in COBOL tend to much longer than the same program written in other language because all instructions are spelled out. Okay, because it is easy to understand. The full form of COBOL is Common Business Oriented Language. It is popular for business application programs. Okay, it is used for writing business application programs. Next is HTML. What is HTML? What is the full form of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. This language is used to create websites on World Wide Web. What is website? Collection of web pages is called a website. In this we use hyperlink to move from one page to another page. Okay, the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Don't forget it. Okay. Next is Visual Basic or VB. It was developed by Microsoft to extend the capabilities of BASIC by adding objects and event-driven programming buttons, menus and other elements of graphical user interface. Okay, in this we use event-driven programming buttons or menus. That is based on graphical user interface. VB is Visual Basic. Visual Basic. Next is C. C is a high-level general-purpose programming language. Say high-level general-purpose programming language. C was developed at Bell Laboratories by Dennis Ritchie for the Unix operating system in 1970s. Okay. Next is Fortran. It stands for Formula Translator. What is Fortran? Formula Translator. It was one of the first programming language. It is created in 1954, but it is introduced in public on 1956. Okay, full form of Fortran is Formula Translator. Okay, next is JavaScript. That is JS, JavaScript. It is a dynamic computer programming language. The use of the JavaScript is we can develop back-end and front-end programs. That means client-server or server-client program to develop. Okay, it is used in client-server or server-client development. That means back-end and front-end of a program we can develop using JavaScript. In this we can also use HTML codes. We can change the HTML codes or attributes, or we can hide the HTML codes. Okay, yes. It is a dynamic computer programming language. JavaScript or JS. In this we also use events like button click, link navigation and other actions and also used in this JavaScript programming languages. That's all. It's finished. Our chapter is finished. So everybody please read the textbook nicely. If you have any doubt then ask me personally. Okay, no problem. Thank you children and have a nice day. Bye bye.